Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn gross anatomy. Begin by understanding the big picture, like the major body systems and their functions. Don't jump straight into tiny details. Focus on how different parts relate to each other, such as how muscles attach to bones to create movement. This foundational approach will make the vast amount of information much more manageable and less overwhelming as you progress through your studies. Active learning is key to retaining anatomical information. Instead of just reading, try drawing out complex structures like the brachial plexus or the heart. This active engagement helps your brain process and store information more effectively. Regularly test yourself with flashcards, perhaps 20 to 30 cards per session, focusing on structures, origins, insertions, and innervations. Explaining concepts, aloud to someone else, also reveals gaps in your knowledge. Make the most of available resources. A good anatomical atlas, like Netter's or Grant's, is indispensable for visual learning, offering thousands of detailed illustrations. Hands-on experience with cadavers or prosections provides invaluable three-dimensional understanding that no book can fully replicate. Supplement this with interactive online three-dimensional models, which allow you to rotate and peel back layers, reinforcing your spatial awareness from multiple perspectives. Consistent integration and review are crucial for long-term retention. Try to connect what you learn to real-world clinical applications. For example, understanding nerve pathways helps diagnose neurological conditions. Schedule dedicated review sessions, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, to revisit older material. Collaborating in a study group, even just 3 or 4 people, allows for diverse perspectives and helps clarify difficult concepts through discussion and mutual quizzing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.